Hi, third graders. This week's shared reading was the story From Buds to Bananas, and you've done quite a bit of work with it, reading it and discussing it. So for today's response to reading, you're going to use information from the story From Buds to Bananas and write a letter persuading someone to buy bananas. You need to give at least 3 reasons that this person should buy bananas. Be sure to write in complete sentences and make sure that you have correct capitalization and punctuation. And here is an example of what a letter could look like. This one is for buying chocolate, though. So it says, "Dear Mom, I would like for you to buy me some chocolate. Here are a few reasons why. First, it grows on trees, so it must be healthy. Next, people work really hard to make it and get it to the store. Finally, life is sweeter with chocolate. For these reasons, I would like you to buy me some chocolate. Sincerely," and then you would put your name down there at the bottom. So make sure that you do that, writing a letter persuading someone to buy bananas.